Well, welcome back, folks. We just got up here to Ohio. It's Thursday night. It's about 11:30. I'm gonna come up do a little scouting this weekend. A couple days. Got a couple cameras. Got to do a little maintenance on. Anyway, gonna catch a little shut eye. I'll catch y'all in the morning. Well, good morning, folks. Got a good night's sleep last night. Just waking up here, gonna eat a little breakfast this morning. We're gonna get to climbing these hills. Come on, go with us. Well, good morning again, folks. Got to the first spot here. We're going to get started. Got my pack loaded up. Going to go in here and try to fix this camera that's in here on this big scrape, and we're going to go up on this hill over here, do a little scouting. So see what we can find. Well, we're headed into the next spot. It's going to be kind of rough. We got to go up there. The joys of Southern Ohio is the hills. But you got to do it. We're in a little bottom right here. But we got to go up top of this hill right here. Come on, go with me. It's coming down this trail right here. And here's a good example of a pinch point funnel in the woods. This trail comes down right here from up top where I was just at. And you've got drainage running that way with a lot of blowdowns in it. You come on down, keep following this trail. Come to a little spot here that's it's not very steep. You keep coming down. You get right down to here, and then the ravine gets steep again. So the deer naturally are going to come right across here, across this little funnel. A deer bed right here. Kind of an odd place for it. Right on the side of this drainage. And it's not up high. But it's a wore out bed. It's just an odd place for it. Let's have some lunch. Kick back. Rest a little while for the next trek. Stick around. Okay, so right here, I had jumped a deer, a little small buck. and I was trying to video him, but with this camera, it's kind of hard to see. I'll put a arrow in right here, pretty much where he was at. Anyway, at the end of the clip, you'll hear him blow. Found this little pinch point right here, and there's a natural spring right here. Always water it. This place right here can get really, really hot this summer. It turned dry like it did last summer. Be a hot spot right here. Anyway, move on to the next place. Got some turkeys across the trail up here in front of us. I don't know if you can see them with this GoPro. Anybody that likes to hike and climb hills, this is the place for you. You can see up through there, that trail just keeps going as far as you can see. And it keeps going up. Well, ain't no need standing here looking at it. Might as well keep going. Well, folks, I guess it's gonna wrap this video up. Just a quick turnaround trip. Really just to do a little maintenance on cameras and scout a couple areas, but we're gonna head on home this morning, get back to Michelle. Stick around, we'll be coming back up probably September to do some final scouting before we come back for our hunting trip in November. Check in for more videos upcoming, and drop me a comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe. Helps me out with the algorithm. Anyway, hope everybody has a great day, great week, and God bless.